If you are looking for a tutorial on the best OBS settings for streaming video at 1080p 60 fps, then this is the perfect guide for you. In this video, we are going to show you the best settings to make your live stream look smooth and professional. Today, I would like to share my 5 years of gaming experience and how I live streamed on various platforms and was appreciated by all. This tutorial will also help you to reduce lag issues and optimize your computer to ensure the best resolution. Whenever you are going to record or stream, close all the other applications running in the background. Otherwise, they will consume your resources as well as slow down internet speed. Always open OBS Studio to run it as an administrator. This means I'm giving the application special permission to access restricted parts of the Windows system. Make sure you are using the latest version of OBS Studio. To check if there is any update available or not, go to the help option at the top bar, then click on check for updates. I'm already on to the latest version, so there is no update for me. The very first step is to configure the destination or platform where you would like to stream. Open the settings option of OBS Studio, then click on Stream tab. At the bottom, you can select the destination under the option of service. Just select the platform you would like to stream. It can be Facebook, YouTube or Twitch. Leave the server set to auto. It will automatically select the best server for you. After that, click on Stream key. It will open the browser of the creator dashboard for the platform. From here, you just have to copy the Stream key and back to the OBS Studio and paste it into the Stream key box. One more important option is there: ignore streaming service settings recommendations. When you are streaming to Twitch or YouTube, they cap your limit at 6K bitrate. But 6K bitrate is not really enough to keep it super crisp and clear. So check the option to enable it. Now switch to the output tab. Here make sure output tab is in advanced mode. If you are in simple, it's not going to give you so many information and you cannot customize any settings. Go ahead to the streaming tab. I have already made a tutorial on best OBS settings for recording. You can check this out. The first option is audio. Check how many tracks you want to record. If you have only one audio source, then check 1. If you want to record desktop and microphone as well, then check 2 or more. There is nothing you can do with the audio encoder, just leave it as default. Next up is your video encoder. If you have a graphics card like a GeForce RTX, then make sure you are using NVIDIA NVENC-H264. It will give you the best performance and it will literally make your stream have no delay or lag. If you don't have any graphics card, then X264 is the only encoder you have. That means it's using your CPU, while the X264 encoder does create high quality videos, but it's not recommended for most use cases. Here uncheck rescale output. Even if you want to downscaling to 720p, we are going to do that later on. Make sure this option is unchecked. Rate control affects how the allocated bitrate is used. My recommendation was to set a CBR as a rate control. CBR is a great choice for constant bitrate. The next option is bitrate. The higher the bitrate, the higher the quality of your final recording will be. The bitrate that you should use will depend on the resolution and frame rate. Every platform has a bitrate guidelines. Just open a browser and search for Twitch bitrate guidelines or Twitch broadcasting guideline. Follow the broadcasting guidelines to find the right balance between visual and playback quality. Generally, 6000 bitrate should be used for 1080p and 60 fps. Keyframe, leave it at it is. Now the option is a presets. It indicates how fast the encoder should run. Faster presets will use at the cost of low quality. Then slower presets ensure the best quality. Of course, you must have a high configuration computer for this. If you have a really high-end computer, set better or best quality. If you have a low-end PC, in that case, you should use medium. Set multipass mode as 2 passes full screen, GPU lives at 0, max B frame rate at 2. That's all for the output settings. Now let's set the resolution and frame rates. Base canvas resolution is going to be what is the resolution of your monitor. I have a 1080p 120Hz display, so I simply set it to 1920 by 1080. Your output scale resolution is going to be output of your stream. If you don't have that high-end PC and you want to stream in 720p, in that case you can lower the output resolution to 1280 by 720. Generally, I set both to 1080. Under the option of FPS value, you should select a common FPS values, either 30 or 60. If you are capturing gameplay, I suggest you to use 60 FPS for smooth gameplay. If your machine can bear 60 FPS, then use 30 FPS. Now go to the audio tab, make sure your sample rate is 48, make sure that the channels are on stereo. Do not select any other option because YouTube and other platforms use only stereo sound anyway. Now go down to global audio devices. Under the section of desktop audio, make sure that it's set to the correct speaker and headphones. So after you have done all of that, don't forget to hit the apply then OK button to save all the changes. Now you can start streaming. I hope you can notice before and after following all the instructions I have shown in this video. I hope that after going through these settings, your live stream will be steady and qualityful. If you think this video is useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. No more today. See you in the next video. Take care.